To send an ACH payment through PayPal, you will need to have a PayPal account and the recipient must also have a PayPal account. First, log into your PayPal account and navigate to the Send and Request tab. Click on Send to Friends and Family or Pay for Goods and Services. Depending on the purpose of the payment, enter the recipient's email address or name and the amount you want to send. Choose the payment method as bank transfer or ACH, and select the bank account you want to use for the payment. If you have not linked your bank account to PayPal, you will need to do so by providing your bank account details. PayPal will then verify the bank account by making 2 small deposits into your account. Once you confirm the deposits, your bank account will be linked to your PayPal account. Review the payment details, including the amount, recipient, and payment method, and confirm the payment. PayPal will then initiate the ACH transfer, which may take a few business days to complete. You can track the status of the payment in your PayPal account. It is essential to note that ACH payments are subject to PayPal's terms and conditions, and there may be fees associated with the payment. To avoid any issues, ensure that you have sufficient funds in your bank account and that the recipient's email address is correct. Additionally, be aware of PayPal's payment limits and any applicable fees. By following these steps and best practices, you can send an ACH payment through PayPal efficiently and securely.